Welcome everyone. In the fifth and final part of stress management, I'll talk about the power of perceptions. Your perception is basically your thinking pattern, that how you look at any situation or what is the interpretation of that situation. So if your perception lens is negative, you will see negativity everywhere. You feel stressed that everything around you is bad. But in reality, everything is not bad. It's your own perception due to which you feel that everything is looking bad. Your perception is just like the windscreen of your car. If it is dusty, you see dust everywhere. But in reality, dust is nowhere. Just clean the windscreen of your own car and everything looks bright to you. For example, if your students ask questions from you, it doesn't mean they want to test your knowledge. If your junior colleagues disagree with you, doesn't mean that they are disrespecting you. Or if your family members take your advice casually, it doesn't mean that you are unimportant for them. These are your own perceptions, due to which you create unnecessary stresses in your life. But the second disadvantage of wrong perceptions is even more serious, because you don't know that your perceptions are responsible for your reactions. The way you perceive any situation, basically it defines how you react in that situation. If you perceive negative, you will react negative. And remember one thing, that your position in the society depends a lot on your reactions, because people around you are directly or indirectly affected by your reactions. So they remain curious to see that how you react in different situations. And lastly, don't forget that your perceptions are responsible for your thinking. Your thinking is responsible for your actions. And the way you act daily, gradually it becomes your habits. And one day, your habits become your character. And your character defines your destiny. We all desire to have excellent destiny in our life, and we struggle for it. But we forget one thing, that the journey starts from perceptions. If they are good, rest of the whole journey is good. So clean your perception lens and save yourself from stress, anxiety and depression. Thank you.